So let's continue. Let us continue. We have what we call file management. File management terminologies. So file management terminologies. What do you think is a file? What is a file? So a file is we normally say that a file is a named storage area for is a named storage area for a certain information you given a unique name for is a access. That is a file. So my computer, we are having terminologies used in file management. So my computer, the computer is the primary storage device, and it is designed as drive C. Drive C is and it is designated drive C in most operating systems. You can think of this as the storage room for all saved files. So my computer, in most cases, when you look, for example, if I open here on my computer, you will find these drivers here. We have local disk C, local disk D, and DVD here and others. So this local disk C, it is the one that is normally called my computer. Every time you click on it, you will always see this one, or what we call this PC. So let us continue. Let us continue. My documents. My documents is a folder on the hard drive of your computer or on a server. This is generally the default folder for saving files unless you instruct the computer to save the file somewhere else. You can think of this as the filing cabinet in the file storage room drive C. So what do I mean? What do they mean here? Or what do I mean here by saying filing cabinet? Filing cabinet, it means that it is a section on a drive number C, on drive C, where it is used to store some specific information. So that is what we call my documents. So for example, here, if I come here on my documents, so I will find it here, documents. I think you can see it here. So on this PC, you can see documents. It is here. So this folder is a subsection, or it is a cabinet on this PC or on my PC. So let us continue. Let us continue here. Folder. You can create as many new folders as you need to organize your files. Folders can be placed directly on drive C inside the My Documents folder or on the desktop. You can think of this as a filing drawer in the filing cabinet or in the file storage room. So let us see folder. So if I come here again on this My Documents here, I open it and I can create there a what? A new folder. I can get there a new folder. So I open and create a new folder. So if I create there a new folder, you think you can see it here. My new folder is created here. So if I remove this and I type there, for example, I can call my folder class. I can call it class and I press enter for it to be called class. So if I double click, I will have opened class folder in my documents. So I think there are more videos on this platform there which can enable you learn on how to create folders. So let us continue. We have what we call subfolder and directories. Subfolders are folders inside of other folders. Again, you can create as many subfolders as you need to organize your files. You can think of these as the hanging files in the filing cabinet drawer. So now let us see how you can do that. Even here in the class folder, you can again right click and choose new folder to create another folder, and I can call this one students. So it means that student is a subfolder within a folder called class. So this is what they mean. So this students is a subfolder in a folder called class. So let us continue. We have file here. So files are created when you save a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, a web page, a picture, a video, a song, and so on. You can think of files as the papers you would put in the hanging folders, in the drawers, in the filing cabinet, in the files storage room. So those are the files. So let us continue. And so files in this, what they are directly trying to mean. So let us continue. What they are trying to mean in this case is that you can create a folder. For example, in this folder, students, I can create there a file, and this file I can name it as Microsoft Word document. For example, I can call this one a document called Max. So if I press enter and I open it, it means I open that file. It means that I will have my marks folder opened for me to start working on it. So let us continue. Let us continue. We have file type. File type. Files come in all types and sizes. Type is determined by what kind of file it is and what program created it. Example, practice.docs. Practice.docs. So docs, this is the file type or what we call file extension. Docs means that we are dealing with a document type of text. So is a Word file that is created using Word 2007 or Word 2010. We know that because the file extension, everything following the dot or period or dot or is docs docx. So meaning that file extension is we associate the file with the program that created it, and docs is associated with Word 2007 and Word 2010. If you change the file extension, the program might not be able to open it because it won't recognize it as its file type.